More acts of random cleanliness, huh?
Let's do it. This is perfect. Look at this guy. He needs some grip clean.
So George here was not that excited to be on camera, but he was super stoked that I cleaned off his leaf blower and gave him some product to take home. After that, we decided to load up and go look for some orange cones.
I don't mean to interrupt you because you're obviously busy in the middle of the roads, and we just do random acts of cleanliness, we'd like to call it, and just give out random stuff to guys that are working hard. Interested in giving one a whirl and give me an honest opinion? You can tell me if you hate it. It's like a working man right there. Look, worked pretty good, huh?
Yeah.
You dig it? Thank you guys. Appreciate the hard work.
The last guys were super stoked I gave them some products, so we went searching for some more people and found these guys laying some asphalt.
No catch at all, man. I just want to straight up give you guys some, so it's all. No, I don't. It's in my car, but I mean, I'm not. We're not here to sell it. No. You know, so check us out. It's on Amazon or on the website. It's all the info on there. Yeah, you can just type it all